Hello friends, let us see class 12th Biogeology chapter 3 Reproductive Health. Very important points for competitive exams oriented. Reproductive system is controlled by neuroendocrine system. Family planning program in India was initiated in 1951. Amniocentesis is a prenatal technique to detect the chromosomal abnormalities in fetus. Amniocentesis is banned in India. Ratio of males to females in a population is called as sex ratio. Female feticide and infanticide is the manifestation of gender discrimination in our society. Female feticide refers to aborting the female fetus in the mother's womb. Female infanticide is killing the female child after her birth. In UNDP's G2 2018, India ranked at 135 out of 187 countries. PCPNDT Act enacted to prevent the use of prenatal diagnostic techniques for selective abortion. In India, statutory marriageable age of a female is 18 years. In India, statutory marriageable age of a male is 21 years. Ovulation occurs at about the 14th day of menstruation. Sperms remains alive about 72 hours in the female reproductive tract. Coitus interruptus is the oldest family planning method. Delay in the reoccurrence of ovarian cycle after parturition is called lactational amenorrhea. Condoms are made up of polyurethane, latex and lambskin. Contraceptive pills prevent ovulation by inhibiting the secretion of FSH and LH hormones. Saheli, an oral contraceptive pill, is developed by Central Drug Research Institute at Lucknow. Saheli, an oral contraceptive pill, contains a non-steroidal preparation called Centroman. Intrauterine devices are the ideal contraceptives for females. The success rate of using IUDs is 95% to 99%. IUDs increase the phagocytosis of sperm. Progesterone and LNG-20 are often called as intrauterine system IUS. Liffus loop is a double S-shaped plastic made non-medicated IUD. Tubectomy is the surgical sterilization in women. Vasectomy is the surgical sterilization in men. MTP is a voluntary termination of pregnancy in a non-surgical manner. MTP, medical termination of pregnancy, is safe up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Indian government has legalized MTP in 1971. Sexually transmitted diseases are also called as venereal diseases. People at the age of 15 to 24 years are prone to sexually transmitted diseases. Trichomoniasis is a protozoan STD. Candidiasis is a fungal STD caused by Candida albicans. Cervical cancer is diagnosed by PAP smear combined with HPV test. Inability to produce children even after unprotected sexual is called infertilization. Mayer-Rogojinski syndrome. Females do not have functional uterus. In IVF technique, generally the embryo is transferred at 8-celled stage. In GIFT technique, the gametes are placed in the fallopian tubes. In surrogacy, a woman agrees to carry a pregnancy for another person through legal agreement. Azoospermia is defined as the absence of sperms in the ejaculated semen. Ultrasonography is usually performed in the first trimester. Amniocentesis is performed in a pregnant woman between 15th to 20th week of gestation. In chorionic villi sampling, the sample tissue is taken from the placental tissue. Fetoscope is used to monitor the fetal heart rate. The average fetal heartbeat rate is between 120 and 160 beats per minute. Syphilis and gonorrhea are commonly called as international diseases. Vitamin E is the anti-sterility vitamin. Genital warts is caused by human papilloma virus. Family planning program was popularly named as Reproductive and Child Health Care. World Population Day was observed as 11th July. World AIDS Day was observed by 1st December. Study of cause diseases is called etiology. Frequently use of one pills may cause ovarian damage and menstrual problem. If you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, share and like. If you don't like this video, you can dislike. Friends, thank you for watching.